Hello 8th standard students, welcome back. We were discussing about the lesson exponents and radicals and coming to the worksheet 2. Okay, before starting worksheet 2, in the earlier video we have not completed the last sum, that is the example 13 subdivision 2. So it is a question is 2 to the power x minus 3 is equal to 1. So here find the value of x. So for that we have to equate, isn't it? When the bases are same, we can equate the powers, that type of sum. So for that what we have to do? 2 to the power x minus 3 is equal to 2 to the power 0. Why 2 to the power 0? Because 1 means any base to the power 0. That you know, isn't it? Any base to the power 0 is equal to 1. So here when the base is 2, take here also base 2 and put the power 0. Now you can write when the bases are same, we equate their powers. So x minus 3 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 0 plus 3, that is x is equal to 3. Is it clear? So this sum we could not complete in the earlier video, that is why I explained this one also. Hope you understood. Okay, coming to worksheet 2, that is a simplified. X to the power 1 by 2 to the into x to the power 5 by 2. So you know when the bases are same and in between there is multiplication sign, we have to add the powers. That is x to the power 1 by 2 plus 5 by 2. That means x to the power 1 plus 5 is 6 by 2. 2 1s are 2 3s are, that is why x to the power 3. Now second sum, x to the power 6 by 5 upon x to the power 1 by 5. Now bases are same and it is division. So what is the law? It is subtract the powers, isn't it? So x to the power 6 by 5 minus 1 by 5. So that is equal to x to the power 6 minus 5 is 5 upon 5. 5 by 5 is 1. So x to the power 1, that is x. Now third sum is x to the power 7 bracket 0, means whole power 0. That means what? When there is bracket, you have to multiply the powers, isn't it? So x to the power 7 into 0, that is x to the power 7 zeros are 0. That is why the answer is 1. Now coming to the fourth sum, it is a 5x to the power 5 by 6 into 6x to the power 1 by 6. So first we have to multiply the numbers, isn't it? 5 6 then into x to the power 5 by 6. Now when the bases are same, what we have to do? Multiplication in between. So you have to add the powers. Now 5 6 are 30 into x to the power 6 by 6. That means 1, isn't it? So that is 30 x to the power 1, that is 30x. Clear? Now coming to the fifth sum, it is x to the power minus 7 by 2 into 2x to the power minus 1 by 2. Now x and 2 means what? 1 into 2 is 2 into, now x to the power minus 7 by 2. Now multiplication in between, that is why add. Next is minus 1 by 2. Now 2x. Now minus 7 minus 7 by 2 and minus 1 by 2. Bases are, the denominators are same. Add the powers. So minus 8 by 2. 2 1s are 2 4s are. That means how much? It is 2x to the power minus 4. Isn't it? So, the negative power means what? 2 upon x to the power 4. Understood? So, when is the negative power, you take to the denominator. The reciprocal you have to write. Now, coming to the second question, find the value of. Now, 512, the whole power minus 2 by 9. Now, the power is 9. Power is minus 2 by 9, sorry. Now, the denominator is 9. So, convert 512 to the power 9. So, किसका power 9 है? ये 512, that is 2 to the power 9 is 512. The whole power minus 2 by 9. Okay. Now, what we have to do? 2, 9, power is 9. Now, bracket means multiplication. Now, 9 gets cancelled. So, it becomes 2 to the power minus 2 is equal to 1 by 2 to the power 2. That is 1 by 4. Is it clear? So, जो भी ये नंबर रहता है, पावर का डिनोमिनेटर कितना है उतने पावर में इसको कन्वर्ट करने का, फिर दैट गेट्स कैंसल्ड एंड देन यू हैव टू प्रोसीड. नाउ 216, ओके, ए 216 टू द पावर 2 by 3. किसका पावर 3 है? इट इज 6 to the power 3 is 216. The whole power 2 by 3, again bracket 1 by 2. Now it is a 3 and 3. This gets cancelled. So it became 6 square the power 1 by 2. Now again this 2 and 2 gets cancelled. That means 6 to the power 1 is equal to 6. Hope everyone is understanding this. So whatever number is there, convert it into the power. Okay. Then cancel it. The power should be the same. Base power का denominator जो है वो number में base का power करने का है. फिर cancel करो, फिर अंदर से बाहर बाहर cutting करते जाने का. Hope everyone understood. Now coming to the question number 11. Sorry, it is the question number 2, third question. Okay, coming to 10 divided by 8 to the power minus 1 by 3. Now 10 divided by 8 is whose cube? It is 2 cube, isn't it? 2 cube bracket minus 1 by 3. Now 3 gets cancelled. It is 10 divided by 2 to the power minus 1. That means 10 divided by 1 by 2 to the power 1. That means 10 divided by 1 by 2. Okay. That means 10 division का मतलब multiply the reciprocal, isn't it? That is half का reciprocal is 2. That is why 10 2s are 20. Clear? Now coming to the question number 4. That is 16 3 by 4. 16 to the power 3 by 4. अभी 16 किसका पावर 4 है? It is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. That means 2 to the power 4, the whole power 3 by 4. Now this 4 and 4 gets cancelled. Now it became 2 to the power 3, that is equal to 8. Now coming to the fifth sum, it is 27 to the power 1 by 3 into 16 to the power minus 1 by 4. Okay, 27 can be written as 3 cube, isn't it? The whole power क्या है उधर 1 by 3 into 16 किसका पावर 4 है 2 to the power 4 और बाहर है minus 1 by 4. क्यों हम ऐसे कर रहे हैं समझ में आ गए. हम 4 स्क्वायर्ड लिख सकते हैं लेकिन 4 स्क्वायर्ड लिखेंगे तो ये पावर 4 इधर डिनोमिनेटर 4 है तो कटिंग में एग्जैक्ट कैंसिल नहीं होगा. इसके लिए 2 to the power 4 और पावर 1 by 4. तो अब भी ये कैंसिल हो रहा है. तो अभी आया कितना इट इज दिस इज माइनस. ओके 3 to the power 1 into इधर आया 2 to the power minus 1. That means 3. 2 to the power minus 1 means it goes to the denominator. Answer is 3 by 2. Hope everyone is understanding. Now coming to the sixth sum, it is 1 upon जो भी इधर लिखा है 3 to the power 4 the whole 1 by 2 the whole power minus 1 by minus 2. Okay, now we will 3 4 into 1 by 2, isn't it? The whole power minus 2. This gets cancelled. That is 1 by 3 square into the power minus 2. That means 1 by 3 to the power minus 4. That means denominator में negative power है. Then it goes to the numerator. So it becomes 3 to the power 4. Now 3 to the power 4 is how much? 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. 9 9s are 81. So 3 3s are 9. 3 to the power 2. 3 3s are 9. 3 to the power 2 है ना. तो वैसे करके आप लोग मल्टीप्लाई करो. नहीं तो 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. 27 3s are 81. Okay, now coming to the seventh sum. It is 27 to the power minus 2 by 3 into 81 to the power 5 by 4 upon 1 by 3 the whole power minus 3. It is 27 can be written as 3 to the power 3. Then minus 2 by 3 into the 81 किसका पावर 4 है. अभी अभी लिखे 81 किसका पावर 4 तो 3 to the power 4. फिर आया 5 by 4 अपॉन अभी 1 by 3 the power minus 3 मतलब क्या है 3 to the power 3, isn't it? Okay, अभी इतना आया. इधर ये 3 3 कैंसल, इधर 4 4 कैंसल. तो इधर कितना आया 3 to the power minus 2 into 3 to the power 5. अभी डिनोमिनेटर में 3 to the power 3. क्लियर. नाउ न्यूमरेटर में अभी सबका बेस सेम है 3 to the power ऊपर का मल्टीप्लीकेशन. सो माइनस 2 प्लस 5 ऐड करेंगे. अभी इधर डिवीजन का मतलब क्या है सबट्रैक्ट करने का माइनस 3. क्लियर. तो अभी आया आपको आंसर 3 to the power 5 minus 5 है ना. अभी 3 to the power 0. That means anything to the power 0 is 1. Clear? Now coming to the 8th sum. Now 64 to the power half and bracket open 64 to the power half plus 1. अभी 64 to the power half. 64 किसका स्क्वायर है? 8 स्क्वायर to the power 1/2. अभी इधर दूसरा स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट ले लो. अभी 64 पहले के जैसे ही 8 स्क्वायर फिर 1/2 प्लस 1. अभी ये 2 and 2 कैंसल, ये 2 and 2 कैंसल. अभी आया आपको 8 ब्रैकेट का मतलब इंटू 8 प्लस 1. तो कितना आया? 8 into 8 plus 1 is 9. That is 72. Are we understanding? Okay, we'll go to the 9th sum. It is 36 to the power 7/2 minus 36 to the power 9/2. Divide by 36 to the power 5/2. ओके अभी 36 किसका स्क्वायर है? 6 का, है ना. 6 स्क्वायर द होल पावर 7/2 माइनस 6 स्क्वायर द होल पावर 9/2 अपॉन 6 स्क्वायर द होल पावर 5/2. क्लियर? अभी सबका 2 कैंसिल हो जाता है. मल्टीप्लिकेशन इसके लिए कैंसिल हो गया. अभी इधर कितना बचा? 6 to the power 7 माइनस 6 to the power 9 अपॉन 6 to the power 5. ठीक है. अभी बीच में नेगेटिव साइन है तो हमें अभी कैंसिल करने के लिए अभी लॉ कोई भी लॉ यूज नहीं होगा. इसके लिए अभी क्या करो? 6 to the power 7 and 6 to the power 9. इसमें कॉमन क्या है? 6 to the power 7 है ना. दोनों में कॉमन आएगा 6 to the power 7. अभी अंदर 6 to the power 7 को बाहर लिए तो अंदर कितना बचा? 1. और 6 to the power 9 में 7 को हम बाहर लिए. 6 to the power 7 मतलब 9 पावर 9 से पावर 7 बाहर लिए तो अभी अंदर कितने पावर बचेगा? इट इज 2, है ना. 9 minus 7 is 2. अभी डिनोमिनेटर में 6 to the power 5. अभी इधर इसका मतलब क्या है? इधर मल्टीप्लिकेशन है ना. अभी मल्टीप्लिकेशन में हम अभी क्या करेंगे? देखो 6 to the power 7 अपॉन 6 to the power 5 इंटू 1 माइनस 6 to the power 2. अभी इधर बेसेस सेम है और पावर डिफरेंट एंड डिवीजन. सो इसका मतलब 6 to the power 7 minus 5 into 1 minus 6 square is how much? 36. Now 6 to the power 7 minus 5 is 2 into either 1 minus 36 is minus 35. That means 36 into minus 35. मल्टीप्लाई करोगे आपको आएगा -1260. इज इट क्लियर? थोड़ा अलग टाइप है, थोड़ा अच्छे से समझ के ले लो. तो पहले ये कटिंग सब करो. फर्स्ट स्टेप ठीक है, इधर मालूम पर ठीक है इधर तक. ये स्टेप में हमें कॉमन को बाहर लेने का, फिर वो डिवीजन करने का है. Is it clear? Please understand and do this sum. Okay. Now coming to the 10th sum. It is like the 9th sum only. It is 4 into 81 to the power minus 1 by 2 bracket 81 to the power 1 by 2 plus 81 to the power 3 by 2. Okay. Now what will we do? It is 4 into 81 can be written as 9 square the power minus 1 by 2. Now square bracket 9 square bracket 1 by 2 power 1 by 2 again 9 square power 3 by 2 and square bracket close. Okay. Now it is 2 cancel, 2 cancel, 2 cancel. So you got 4 into 9 to the power minus 1. Again bracket open 9 to the power 1 means 9 plus 9 to the power it is 3. Isn't it? Now it is 4. 9 to the power minus 1 means it will go to the denominator. Yes or no? 9 to the power minus 1. Negative power. So it goes to the denominator. Now here it is a 9 plus 9 cube. Now this 9 we have to cancel. That is why what we will do? 4 by 9 into, in this what is common? It is a 9 is common. 9 and 9 cube. Like in the earlier sum, 9 and 9 cube. What is common? 9. Now what is remaining inside? 9, एक 9 को बाहर लिए तो इधर क्या बचेगा? 1 है ना, और प्लस साइन डालो. अभी 9 क्यूब में से एक 9 को बाहर लिया है. हाउ मच इज रिमेनिंग? 9 स्क्वायर. समझ में आ गए? सो एक 9 को बाहर लिया है तो 2 9 बचेगा. अभी ये 9 कैंसिल हो गया. अभी आया 4 into 1 plus 9 9s are 81. That is 4 into 82. 4 2s are 8. 4 8s are 32. Is it clear? So it is 9th and 10th sums are little bit tough. Okay. Now coming to the third sum, evaluate 0.04 the whole power 3 by 2. Okay, this is a decimal sum. So there are two types of solution. So first we will write the convert into the fraction. So 0.04 can be written as 4 upon 100. 2 decimal means denominator is 100. The power 3 by 2. Now in the power the denominator is 2. Convert into the power 2. Okay. That is 2 by 10 the whole square the whole power 3 by 2. Now this 2 and 2 gets cancelled. Is it clear? Now it becomes 2 by 10 the whole power 3. That means 2 cube is 8 upon 10 cube is 1000. That means 0.123. 3 decimals, isn't it? 3 zeros, 3 decimals. So answer is 0.008. Or One more method, 0.04 the whole power 3/2. अभी 2 किसका स्क्वायर है? 2 का, और 2 डेसिमल मतलब 1 डेसिमल. So it is 0.2 square the whole power 3/2. 2 gets cancelled, that is 0.2 the cube, that means 0.002 का क्यूब है 8. Clear? Now coming to the second sum, it is 6.25. It is a 625 upon 2 decimal means 100 upon the whole 3/2. Okay, now 625 किसका स्क्वायर है? अभी डिनोमिनेटर में, पावर में डिनोमिनेटर is 2, so convert this into power 2. So 65 square is 625, sorry 25 square is 625, और ये 10 square is 100, so this becomes the whole square, then power 3/2. This gets cancelled, that means 25/10 the whole cube. अभी 25 का क्यूब कितना आएगा? It is 15625, and 10 का क्यूब है 1 and 3 zeros, that means it is a 15.625. Clear? Or it is 6.25 the whole 3/2. 625 किसका क्यूब है? It is a 25 का, that is 2.5. इधर 2 डेसिमल है तो 1 डेसिमल आएगा, है ना? Square the whole power 3/2. 2 gets cancelled. 2.5 the whole cube. 25 का क्यूब है 15625. अभी इधर क्यूब है तो 1 डेसिमल का आएगा 3 डेसिमल. Now coming to the third sum, it is 0.03125. Okay, so first method 3125 upon 1 2 3 4 5 means 1 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so the power minus 2/5. Okay, now 3125 किसका पावर 5 है? It is 5 का, और 10 का पावर है 1 lakh. So power 5 the whole power minus 2/5. 5 gets cancelled, that becomes 5/10 the whole power minus 2. अभी power minus 2, that means it becomes the reciprocal, that is 10/5 the whole power 2. That means this is 100, our denominator is 25. 5 squared is 25. 5 ones are, 5 fours are, so the answer is 4. Okay. The other method is 0.03125 the whole power minus 2/5 is equal to, किसका पावर 5 है? It is 5 decimal, so 0.5 the whole power 5 the whole power minus 2/5. This 5 gets cancelled, so it is a 0.5 the power minus 1/2. That means 0.5 can be written as 5 by 10 the power minus 2. Now it is the same. 10 by 5 square, 100 upon 5, 25. 25 ones are, 25 fours are. Clear? Hope everyone is understanding. Okay, coming to the fourth sum, 0.008. That means 8 upon 3 decimal means 30. That means 1000. The whole power 2 by 3. Now 8 किसका क्यूब है? 2 का, 1000 10 का, तो क्यूब again power 2 by 3. This 3 gets cancelled. Now it became 2 by 10 the power whole square. Now 2 square is 4, 10 square is 100. So 4 by 100 means 0.2 decimal, isn't it? 0, 4. Or 0.008 2 by 3. अभी 8 2 का है, 3 डेसिमल है तो 8 डेसिमल. क्यूब. फिर आया ये क्वेश्चन का 2 by 3. ये 3 gets cancelled. That is 0.2 स्क्वायर आया. अभी 2 का स्क्वायर 4 है, 1 डेसिमल है तो 2 डेसिमल. सेम आंसर. Did you understand? Hope everyone understood. Okay then, bye. Thank you.